Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to see security mechanism which it comes under the OSI architecture. It is in the subject cryptography and cybersecurity. In my last lecture series, we have seen in detail about the security attacks and the OSI security architecture, all those things. Today, we are just going to see in detail about the security mechanism. Here, let's just have a recap that classification of OSI security architecture. It mainly includes security attack, security mechanism, security services. Whereas coming to the security attack, any action that compromises the security of information owned by an organization, it is a security attack. Next, security mechanism, a process or a device incorporating such a process that is designed to detect, prevent, or recover from a security attack. It is called as a security mechanism. Next, security services. Security services in the sense processing or communication services that enhances the security of the data processing systems and the information transfers of an organization. Next, it intend to counter security attack and they make use of one or more security mechanisms to provide the services. It is called as security services. Next, coming to security mechanisms. Security mechanisms, we are just going to see in detail that it mainly consists of encipherment, the digital signature, access control, integrity, traffic padding, and notarization. Now, let us see the encipherment. Encipherment means the mathematical algorithm that is used to transform data into another form which is not intelligible. It is not intelligible. Here the encipherment algorithm will be used. Yes, here let us see that enciphering key. Let us consider two keys, that is left key half and the right key half. Whenever you are just giving your plain text as input, you have to receive the ciphertext as output. In the case of plain text as input is given, the first step will be here. You just encipher until the left half. You are just enciphering until the left half. Your second step is then you just decipher until the right half. Your right half key will be decipher. And third is you are just encipher until left half. In that case, finally you will get a ciphertext as an output. Okay, when plain text is converted into the ciphertext. Next, coming to the digital signature. Digital signature means that the data is appended to prove that the source is the one which has sent the data and protect against forgery. Nowadays, this world, everything has become a digital. Wherever we see, we are just going to see digital, digital, digital. So digital in the sense of fingerprint, if you're just giving a fingerprint, we can't deny, we can't tell that we have not sent a message. When if a sender send a message to receiver using this digital signature, we cannot blame that we have not sent the message. Okay, now let's see. Send a message hello to the receiver. Here we are using the private password, that is it is kept as secret, whereas second is your public password. Here it is shared to the receiver so that the receiver can read the message. Next comes the access control. In the case of an access control, here we are just using the it provides the access rights to resources. Suppose let us consider example. In our colleges, various resources are available. Students will have few resources that they can access only within a limit. Then coming to the faculties, they will provide their resources can access the resources only in which the access have been given, whereas admin they will be to the faculties. The students can't access the resources which are accessed by the faculties, whereas faculties can access certified by the admin. They have been given some access control. Within that access control, they have to work and then finally receive. the resources. This is the access control. Without any control, if an organization is being taken place, in that case it can't run, it will not be most secured one. So that the access control will be given based on your work and based on your usage and based on your position. All these comes under this access control, and then finally yes, so that the data will be secure and safe. For that, this mechanism has been used. As we have seen all these mechanism in last lecture, where as I said, we have seen the secure services service security access in detail. In this lecture series, we have seen the security mechanism in detail, whereas in our next lecture series we are just going to see the security services in detail. These are all the books which I have been referred from my series. Thank you.